Imagine this. You're scrolling through your phone, and you see headlines screaming about billionaires blasting off into space. Not just any space, but commercial space. And then, you see another headline, space tourism stock soars. Suddenly, you're thinking, wait a minute, could I actually make money from this? Is investing in spaceship companies the next big thing, or am I about to throw my cash into a black hole? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Is spaceship travel, and by extension, the companies behind it, a good investment? It's easy to get swept up in the hype. We see the dazzling launches, the futuristic promises, and the sheer audacity of it all. But let's cut through the cosmic dust and look at the cold, hard facts. First, let's acknowledge the obvious. Space travel is expensive. Ridiculously expensive. We're talking billions of dollars in research, development, and testing. And while the potential rewards are astronomical, the risks are equally high. A single failed launch can send stock prices plummeting faster than a meteor. Then there's the question of market viability. Right now, space tourism is a luxury experience for the ultra-wealthy. But for it to become a truly profitable industry, it needs to be accessible to a wider audience. That means drastically reducing costs and ensuring consistent, reliable flights. That's a massive engineering and logistical challenge, and it's far from guaranteed. We also need to consider the regulatory landscape. Space is the ultimate frontier, and governments are still figuring out how to regulate commercial space activities. This uncertainty can create significant hurdles for companies looking to expand and innovate. And with international collaborations and agreements being necessary, geopolitical tensions can also play a huge role. However, it's not all doom and gloom. The potential for growth in the space industry is undeniable. Beyond tourism, we're talking about satellite technology, space-based manufacturing, asteroid mining, and even the potential for future off-world colonies. These areas could generate immense wealth and revolutionize entire industries. Companies are making strides in reusable rocket technology, which could significantly lower launch costs. Private companies are also pushing the boundaries of innovation, developing new propulsion systems and spacecraft designs. The competition is fierce, and that drives progress. But, and this is a big but, the space industry is highly speculative. It's not like investing in established companies with proven track records. You're betting on future technologies that may or may not come to fruition. You're betting on a market that is still in its infancy. So, how do you make a decision? Do your due diligence. Look at the company's financials, their technology, and their leadership. Understand the risks involved. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. And most importantly, don't get caught up in the hype. If you're a risk-tolerant investor with a long-term perspective and you believe in the potential of the space industry, then investing in spaceship companies could be a worthwhile gamble. But if you're looking for quick returns or a safe haven for your money, you might want to look elsewhere. Remember, investing in spaceships is like investing in the internet in the early 90s. The potential is there, but the road ahead is uncertain. It requires patience, a strong stomach, and a healthy dose of skepticism. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.